Description: a clarifying shampoo that gently detoxifies and cleanses, absorbing excess oil and buildup from the scalp, while restoring hair color and shine. Benefits: removes product buildup impurities, does not strip or dry out hair, protects and restores color shine. Suggested use: massage into wet hair and scalp, adding more water as needed to thoroughly cleanse the scalp. For hard water buildup, wait 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Smoothing: your smoothest, healthiest hair. Volume plus texture. Buildable volume that moves with you. Touchable texture plus windswept waves. All in one. What hair dreams are made of: lightweight, hydration, softness and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Great ingredients and only small amount required to clean hair. There is a lot to like about this shampoo, with charcoal, witch hazel, tea tree, and many other amazing ingredients. I don't use any artificial colors in my hair, so I can't speak to the effectiveness there. I can say though that just a very small amount does indeed go a long way. I think that's important to mention because so many products claim you can get away with using a small amount, but you end up having to use double or more of what is recommended. That is not the case with this shampoo, as just a tip of the finger lathers up and covers my head without issue. This is a really great product that I look forward to getting continued great use from. I recommend it based on just the ingredients, but even more highly recommend it based on effectiveness and potential longevity.